molehill. Even I don't know which is the molehill to make that mountain. That Dabolim airport is going to be closed. All operations are shifting to Mopa. हे आम्ही स्पष्टपणे एक स्पष्टीकरण मेळपा जाय म्हणून आम्ही माननीय रक्षा मंत्री बाब आमचो Rajnath Singh ताका मेळ्ळे. Who led the delegation was none other than Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Dr. Pramod Sawant, myself, Honorable Member of Parliament Sadanand Tanavde and Honorable MLA Nilesh Kabral. We went and met the Union Minister, and a written memorandum was given by Honorable Chief Minister that under any circumstances Dabolim Airport has to continue for civilian operation, and Goa being a tourism state, we need both the airports, Mauvin International Airport and Dabolim International Airport. So Honorable Minister questioned us, what makes you believe that we are considering such a proposal? Then I was asked to speak. I intervened and I said, I have very clear reports that there was a meeting with the Naval Chief and the Union Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Naidu, wherein they tried to put their case forward that all civilian operations may shift to Mopa. We want the airport. He said no, without coming to my notice, such a thing can never happen. I will never allow this to happen. He gave a categorical assurance to us. Thereafter, he also asked me and the Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Sadanand Tanavde, come to me again. I will call all the officials, including the Naval Chief, and we will set to rest this entire episode once for all. Though there is no proposal, we want to remove the fear of the people of South Goa or of Goa that this airport can ever be closed for civilian operations. So where is the problem? We, being in the ruling party, we know it is our responsibility to see that such a thing, there is no scope for even manipulation. One thing I want to bring to the notice of the people of Goa, GMR being a private entity, government of Goa may also have its share in that airport, but government is not thinking of ever closing down Dabolim or shifting all operations there. GMR being a private entity, the majority shareholder, obviously they want to make money. It is a business transaction. It is nothing political. People are trying to make politics out of this for apli podi Bajpa, South Goa. We will never allow GMR to do such a thing. As I said, GMR is making efforts as a private entity, as a businessman. They want more business. They want all the flights to land there. Anybody in private business will want to do that. But I think after this particular meeting and follow-up that we will be doing, I think there will be no scope whatsoever thereafter to even think of such a thing. So please rest assured that under no circumstances Dabolim Airport can ever close. Under no circumstances civilian operation will cease. Rather, I went further with the Honorable Defence Minister that no time period which is there where flights cannot fly, I think from 8:30 to 12:30. That is a prime time. I have given examples of other airports where there are also defence airports where they sort of keep the flights on one side, defence flights, and one particular corridor is kept for civilian side. Even if you relax this for say 2 hours more flights will automatically come to Dabolim. Further, I went on to mention in my earlier meeting to Civil Aviation Minister, please authorize Airport Authority of India to act like a private entity. Give more concessions, give more benefits to the private airlines, whichever fly, or to the other airlines as a whole, like what GMR is trying to do. You have to also move with the time. Automatically, then there will be a balance of flights between Mopa and Dabolim. I am not making a case where I am saying that Mopa Airport is not required. Mopa International Airport also is required. Dabolim Airport, International Airport also is required in a most preferred destination, which is a brand by itself called Goa. Both airports can healthily survive. So there is no need to cannibalize flights from Dabolim and take them to Mopa. Right, I did mention that point as well. And he promised that in the further meeting, I have to carry all this material before, after meeting the stakeholders, and I will be making a representation in this regard as well. And he said even that issue will be sorted out. where people have difficulty in getting permissions to build their houses or buildings. As you know, we even suffered because of that bridge when actually there was no need, according to me. It was just some mischievous elements who were previously involved in that, who pumped up somebody, went to court, and the whole thing got delayed. They are responsible for the public delay. So I want to say that even that issue will be taken up.